In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a limited access content page in LeadPages. Stick around to the end because I'll also give you a better alternative to achieve this goal with some exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Let's dive in. First, log into your LeadPages account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up and get started with a free trial. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and click on Create New Page. You'll be presented with several templates, but since we want to create a limited access content page, take a basic template that you can customize easily. Now, once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it. Let's go to the section where you want to place the limited access content. This could be a video, a PDF, or an article. You'll need to ensure that the content is hidden behind a lead capture form. To do this, click on the Widgets option on the left sidebar and drag the opt-in form widget to the section where you want your content to be unlocked. Next thing, let's configure the settings for the opt-in form. You'll want to select the fields you need, like name and email, but make sure you don't make it too long. Keep it simple to increase conversions. Once your form is ready, click on the Actions tab and under After Form Submission, choose to show a thank you message or redirect them to the content page. If you're redirecting, make sure you have the page link ready. The third thing, now that the opt-in form is in place and set up, it's time to add your limited access content. If you're redirecting, you'll want to have a thank you page that contains the link to the content or download. If you're just showing the content directly on the same page, you can reveal it only after they submit the form. This can be done with LeadPages built-in features, where you can hide sections of the page and then reveal them once the action is completed. The fourth thing is integrating with your email marketing tool. LeadPages integrates with most major email platforms. Go to the Integrations section in the settings and link your email list. This ensures that after your visitors submit the opt-in form, their details are automatically added to your email list. Now that we've got the limited access content set up in LeadPages, let's talk about why this might not be the best solution for all users. LeadPages is great for landing pages, but when it comes to managing more complex membership sites or managing multiple types of limited access content, it can get a bit tricky. LeadPages also doesn't offer as many customization options for content gating and doesn't have the best features for ongoing content delivery, which brings me to a better solution. If you're looking for a more comprehensive tool that can easily handle multiple types of limited access content and membership sites, I've got something better for you. There's an alternative software that gives you more flexibility, better design options, and a better user experience, especially for long-term content gating. Plus, it has an extended free trial exclusively for our viewers. Now, before you go, remember that the software I mentioned earlier offers a really robust set of tools for limited access content. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. These benefits will give you everything you need to grow your site with ease, plus the tools to manage gated content in a way LeadPages just can't compete with. Thanks for watching!